If you've been curious about getting free stuff on Temu and weren't sure if it's legit, well, it actually is. There's a popular coupon code going around that I tried myself, and it unlocked a $100 coupon bundle right inside the Temu app. Here's the deal. First, make sure you've got the Temu app downloaded on your phone. If you don't, I've shared the official download link in the description so you can grab the real one. After opening the app, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, depending on your app version, look for either earn credits or coupon code. Enter this code, ACR96414, as soon as I entered it. A bunch of valid coupons showed up. Some gave percentage discounts, while others took a set amount off, like $20 or $30. What's neat is you can stack these coupons on different items, and they automatically apply when you check out. I tested it on a few random things, from tech gadgets to skincare and even a small kitchen tool, and the discounts worked right away. Just a heads up, Temu changes these promo offers pretty often. So if this code still works when you're reading this, don't wait too long before using it because it might expire or get replaced. I also included some backup codes, useful links, and easy step-by-step guides in the description and pinned comment. So make sure to check those out if you want to grab even more deals. If you end up scoring some freebies, drop a comment and tell me what you got. I love hearing about everyone's finds.